Alright, these are the two printed books that you'll need for class. The blue one here is the conceptual book. What it has is it's a bunch of problems. And so these are outlined in your unit assignments. That's what the back looks like. Now the ISBN for this is in the syllabus. This is the other book. It's called the custom book in the syllabus. I didn't list the ISBN because it won't do you any good. You have to order this one through the bookstore because it's only printed in, I think, lots of 25, and so only the bookstore has it. Now what I listed as the optional book is the book where these problem sets came from. So we choose a set here. Alright, so this one, there we go, looks like it starts there. So this says from chapter 5. And this is the book that I listed as the optional book. And if we go to chapter 5 here, you'll notice that the problems are exactly the same. That's all I did. I created a custom book that contained just the problems out of the original book. And that's all we're using now for our class. We're going to do all of the reading in the OpenStax book, which is that online book that's free. Alright, so we're done with that. Let's take a look at on the assignment here. So this is what your assignment looks like. You have one assignment set out of the custom book. You have one assignment set out of the Tippers book. And then you have one assignment set out of the OpenStax book. Now the OpenStax book, you just have to use this particular link right here. And what that'll do is that'll take you to this location. And we aren't doing section 1.1. We're going to start with section 2.1. And so you'll go to section 2.1 here, and then you can just read through the entire section. And then when you get down to the bottom there, that's where you have this option for launching Concept Coach. That's what these problems are talking about. So you're doing the Concept Coach questions for each one of these sections. And what you'll notice is, let me go back to the book here, that's the end of section 2.1. If we go to 2.5 there, again we scroll down to the bottom. So you'll want to read that first. And then you'll launch the Concept Coach questions. See, what you notice is, you get to the end here, it gives you a few problems, inside the chapter, in the reading here, example problems. But you notice when you get to the end, there aren't any problems for you to do. And so that's why we're using these two books for the problems. So if you have any questions about the book, let me know. And just to recap there, you need the blue one there. This is the one with the conceptual questions. You need the custom book, this green covered one. That's the one that has the problems, the numerical type problems. And then your other book is the one that you just have the link for. That's this link right here. And that takes you to the online book, the OpenStax book. That's where you do the reading and the concept questions. And then if you were interested in ordering completely online, then this was the one that you wanted to get instead of the custom book. You do not need both of these. Both of these would be redundant. Alright, if you have questions, just let me know.